Titano Finance is the first token with automatic staking and compounding. Simply, keeping the token in your wallet will automatically compound your benefits. Titano Crypto, Titano Finance's native currency, is a BEP20 token with an elastic supply. Titano's Autostaking protocol provides its token holders with the greatest steady returns in crypto. TAP offers the market's highest fixed APY of 102,483.58% and a daily ROI, return on investment, of 1.8999%. According to its website, holders can earn up to $1,002,758 and 54 cents Titano at 102,483.58% APY at the end of the year with a $1,000 investment. Overall, Titano offers simple and secure staking, as well as an industry-leading fixed APY. Furthermore, unlike other popular staking protocols, the Titano Autostaking protocol pays every 30 minutes, or every 48 hours. This is cryptocurrency worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. Now, let's back to the deal about this thing, Titano Finance. Titano has been listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges. PancakeSwap, on the other hand, is the best exchange for purchasing Titano crypto coins. Here's how to get your hands on some Titano. Binance Smart Chain should be added to your MetaMask wallet, or a different crypto wallet. Buy BNB Binance cryptocurrency with your fiat currency. Transmit the BNB to your MetaMask. To make the BNB to Titano trade, go to PancakeSwap. Set the slippage to roughly 15% and confirm the swap. You now have Titano staking in your wallet on autopilot. Then, here is all about Titano crypto price prediction. The live Titano price today is $0.176614 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of 2,665,190 US dollars. Titano is up 10.37% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 3016, with a live market capital of not available. The circulating supply is not available, and the maximum supply is not available. Titano token is expected to achieve an average price of $1.152 by the end of this year, according to Wallet Investor. According to their analysis, the long-term earning potential in 1 year is plus 871.73%. Furthermore, they believe that Titano will be worth $5.277 in 5 years, 2027. Meanwhile, research from Digital Coin Price predicts that the currency will be worth $0.1583 by the end of the year. According to the projection, the price of one Titano coin could rise to $0.2081 in 1 year. Is it a scam or legit? In the last 48 hours, Titano coin has been trending on CoinMarketCap, and many potential investors have no idea what the token stands for. We want new investors and even experienced investors to understand what they're getting into, so I try to explain crypto in a simple way by breaking down crypto jargon. However, before we begin the primary review, we must first build an understanding. Titano's webpage is very cool. It's obvious that it was put together by a professional. It's SSL safe and perfectly tuned for diverse device viewports, which I appreciate. The description opens with a one-of-a-kind headline: Crypto's best auto-staking and auto-compounding protocol, for people who are new to cryptocurrency investing and DeFi protocols. I'll explain what auto-staking and auto-compounding are, so you fully comprehend what the preceding quote means. Staking on autopilot. To understand auto-staking, you must first understand what staking is. Staking in cryptocurrency is the process of locking up, for a set amount of time, crypto holdings in order to receive incentives or earn interest. Staking is typically regarded as an additional way to profit while investing in DeFi projects. However, with Titano currency and its auto-staking feature, that option is no longer available. Staking rewards are earned from the moment Titano is purchased. Compounding by auto. Compounding is the process by which earnings from an asset, in this case, Titano's earnings, are reinvested to generate further earnings over time. What this indicates is straightforward. Gains from auto-staking Titano are immediately reinvested, providing investors with even investment benefits. Titano Coin's website goes so far as to list the big promise. Titano, according to the website, has the highest fixed APY at 102,483%. Titano is the first wallet with automatic staking and compounding, and Titano rewards investors every 30 minutes or 48 times per day. In my opinion, the fixed 102,483% APY is simply too wonderful to be true. For those who don't understand what an APY is, an APY stands for annual percentage yield. The annual percentage yield, APY, is the true rate of return on an investment that takes into account the effect of compounding interest. Titano Coin's marketing is based on this unbelievable offer. In the final section of this review, we will look at the fixed APY. Another crazy promise is Titano's assertion that it receives investment rewards every 30 minutes or 48 times per day. Titano is a hyper-holder-oriented token. According to our research, every crypto token is holder-centric, FYI. Titano, on the other hand, takes it to a whole new level, in my opinion. Following that was a section on how it works. 1. We learned that a portion of the buy and sale charge goes to the Titano treasury, while 5% of trade volume is redirected to the RFV, which aids in the distribution of the Titano staking protocol. The RFV, risk-free value, is the number of funds that the treasury guarantees will be used to back $Titano. 2. With consistent transactions, buying and selling, on Titano's ecosystem, Titano's treasury inflow is bound to increase. This provides solid support for Titano tokens. 3. Automatically compounded with a treasury-backed currency with intrinsic value. This, in my opinion, does not provide enough information on how Titano works. It's a little hazy and terse. More should have been written about Titano, a token with a complex use. Perhaps a more complete explanation might be found in the white paper. Titano Play was unveiled. According to the website, it is a type of game that allows Titano holders to gain even more goodies. It's worth noting that Titano's Play has yet to be released. You don't comprehend the context of Titano's 102,483.58% APY guarantee until you reach to that point in the website, in my opinion. According to tokenomics, Titano is a BEP20 token with an elastic supply that compensates holders via a positive rebase formula. In case you don't know what a rebase token is, in the larger scheme of things, charts with rebase tokens don't mean much. The only factors that count are the coin's market capitalization and total supply. When purchasing Titano, investors are charged a fee of 13% of their investment. This is how it is divided. 5% is automatically transferred to the liquidity pool. The treasury receives 3% of the proceeds, which is used to back the RFV, while 5% is transferred to the RFV, which serves to sustain and support the staking benefits offered by the positive rebase. When an investor sells, he or she is charged an 18% commission. This is how the 18% tax is calculated. 5% is automatically transferred to the liquidity pool. The treasury receives 8% of the proceeds, which is used to support the RFV, while 5% is transferred to the RFV, which serves to sustain and support the staking benefits offered by the positive rebase. This tax structure is one of the most onerous in the world. However, you can forgive the token for this, because the entire concept is based on taxing investors in order to reward those who are holding. It is vital to mention that Titano's contract is currently undergoing a CertiK audit, which is 85% complete. CertiK is one of the world's most reputable contract auditing firms. As a result, this is a good thing because the audit increases trust in the Titano token. The audit, however, is unfinished. Solidity Finance has also audited the Titano cryptocurrency. The audit was successful, however, it reveals the extremely high risk that this Titano carries. According to the Solidity Financial report, the developers have an absurd amount of power over the contract. Titano's white paper is available online. Unlike the standard, downloadable document, which anybody can obtain, the Titano token white paper can be found at their official website. It starts with an overview of the project. Titano is positioned to lead a revolution in DeFi with the Titano Autostaking Protocol, or TAP, a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and delivers Titano token holders the greatest stable returns in crypto. According to the white paper, Titano token has a market capitalization of $1,872,553,024. This market capitalization is amazing. This market cap is an excellent fit for a coin that is only 2 months old. It has grown enormously. It demonstrates that a big number of people are already involved in and holding this initiative. According to Pocoin.app, the liquidity pool is estimated to be valued at $2,452,101. According to BSCScan, 61% of the liquidity pool has been burned, with the remaining 31% locked in Unicrypt. This is widely regarded as positive. Nonetheless, I have reservations regarding the liquidity pool's value. To have only $2.452.101 in its liquidity pool for a company with a market cap of $1.8 billion or more seems strange to me. The liquidity pool is simply insufficient.